right, so we're gonna hit a yard sale here. What did they say in the yard sale ad?
I can't remember.
What is this GPS making us do? Look at this. It's making us go like over there and up and around when I can just turn right here.
You know what
this is
GPS,
weird.
This is Pam logic. It's probably just used to my traffic patterns.
Look at this dude pulling the boots off that guy.
He's stealing that dude's boots. The kid's like, just take it, just don't take my bike.
So this yard sale's been going on for a couple, like, what, probably a couple days now?
I think it was just this weekend.
Just this weekend, okay.
It's almost like an estate sale.
And it is Sunday, so we'll have to see.
Destination is on your right. Free. I wonder if they have a rake. I want a rake.
So we had to turn around because we couldn't park.
It says, huge yard sale. Get over here. All day Saturday and Sunday. Too much to list, but here we go. And then it lists a bunch of stuff. Ryan's like out of his seatbelt, ready to go. Everything must go.
Everything must go. Is there a spot there now? Looks like there is, I believe.
Right next to that silver car.
Right, okay.
Can
Can squeal in there. Should be able to sneak in, I think. Ooh, that's tight.
Oh, you're like a bird. I don't know why you're like a bird, but you're like a bird.
All right, let's see if there's anything good, huh? Check it out. $4.
$4.
Good. Let's see.
A little movement though.
There you go.
For a different wedding.
Yeah.
We just got to change our initials.
That's a cigar box. I think. Isn't it? 97.
Looks like it.
87 years.
There's definitely tobacco.
What's that? Oh, do they?
Good or no?
Yanachi International. How much for this foot pedal thing?
Yeah, it's got a plug-in for a specific style. There's a couple different styles.
Right.
Take a picture of it and send it to us.
No, I was just looking at the vinyl.
These are very chippy-ish.
This is a sealed one.
No,
Paula Abdul.
I don't think it's actually sealed. Some of them might be in there.
Shakespeare. What else we got? We got some books here.
Somebody dancing. He died.
Did he?
Well, that guy died. I'm trying to see if there's anything else.
Broadway.
Property of the United States government. Armed Forces Radio and Television Services. Doesn't copy Frank Sinatra.
It's actually like him.
Billy Idol. Yeah.
Number 1.
Fiddler on the Roof. What's that one? That's like a German.
You don't even know how to read that. I
No.
don't know why you're trying.
19.
Ooh, what's that?
04, sorry. 1904, 1913.
That's interesting.
Remember? It's a Fisher.
Look at that thing. It's like a Norman Rockwell or something. Myself. Yeah, it's an accordion.
Oh, that's kind of
Yeah. Okay, so we got the pedal, and then look at this thing. This thing is interesting looking. I'm gonna grab it just because it's interesting.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Made in China.
So that was pretty cool, huh?
Yes. That car looks like Bay's car.
I know. All right, let's see. So.
All right. Real quick.
So first of all, sorry if the footage was a little shaky and like not that good. I didn't have the backpack clip with me, and there was a bunch of people there like that were part of the sale, and it was really small. And it was weird to have my camera out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wish I had the clip. If I had the clip, it would have been a lot easier. But so I got what footage I could, but those guys were super cool. They were
So
interesting.
cool.
They were interesting guys.
So my take of that house is basically I think this group of people bought the house, and it's really run down, really old. They're either going to try to flip it, because two of those guys look like they are carpenters.
Yeah.
Things. Whether they're going to flip it or just get it for themselves. The house did look really old, so I think that they just bought it kind of as is, whether it was a foreclosure or whatnot, and
Yeah.
they basically just took all the stuff that was left behind and put it out because they did not care.
No. Yeah. I was gonna offer the guy. I didn't get it. I don't think I got any of the negotiation on film, but I was gonna offer the guy $5 for those two items, and the guy goes, "How about $5?" So I was like, "Okay." So I just gave him the $5.
He was actually pretty cool. We went up to him and asked him what one of the things were when we first saw it, and he was just like, I'm just trying to get rid of this stuff.
Yeah.
And then they had this table that had beverages, adult beverages.
Yeah.
And they're literally like, Ryan goes over to that table because I had this accordion there, and the guy's like, "Oh, you want some of that too?" And that was after we asked about the price. They're like,
It's like,
"You
have a
can
cocktail, get loose, buy a bunch of stuff, They were really chill, so it was cool. I loved meeting. They were like interesting people. Like they
Yeah.
were like an interesting group of people.
I like the sales guy the best.
Yeah.
He actually looks like this.
Yeah. So
Long lost relative.
that was interesting. So yeah, that little Mugstein thing, that thing looked interesting. I have no idea if it's worth any money. We'll have to look that up right now. But it was funny because he was like, when we were buying it, he was like, "Before you buy this, I have one question." And we were like, okay. He was like, "Do I look like the guy on that mug?" And I was like, "Wait a minute, you kind of do." And he's like, "Wait, I got a pipe right over here. I'm gonna put it in my mouth and take a picture of me and see if I look the same." And it's funny, he looks just like him, doesn't he?
He just has, like, the guy who was selling it has more facial hair, but like the nose,
Yeah.
I think the nose makes it look like him.
Yeah. But anyway, there's the yard sale right there. It's pretty slim picking now. It's been going on for a couple days, so
Yeah.
pretty
And that
good,
guy,
but
he's pretty cool.
yeah.
Little on the hippie-ish side, I'd say.
We should comp these items real quick. Well, actually, first of all, the pedal I got, it's like the little trolling pedal for a trolling motor on a boat. It's like the pedal that I think it turns it on and off and stuff. I'm not really sure, to be honest.
I don't know what it is.
But I comped that, and I should be able to get, I don't know, $40 to $50 in used condition for that thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's a pretty good pickup.
Wait, well, who found that? Because I wasn't going to say it until you said
You
what
found that.
Yeah.
And then that little Stein, we got to do some research on that.
It's a collectible.
It is. It's a collectible.
And it literally has the number that it's actually associated with.
Yeah, it's a limited edition thing.
Third in a series of collector steins.
Yeah, and it says something
Saturday
on the bottom.
Evening Post. That's where I'm reading from.
Yeah, but it has like a date, doesn't it?
No, that's the number.
I thought I I saw something on there. It said 1939.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. I don't think it's from 1939 though. I think it's talking about. I think this is a painting on it
Yeah.
by an artist that painted it in 1939.
But it's also a Miller. I feel like this is a very famous like painting thing because
Yeah.
I've seen it before.
If anybody knows what that is, let us know.
It says Norman Rockwell.
Norman Rockwell painting, yeah. And then the mug on top. What is it? Miller Lite or Miller? Just Miller beer.
Miller Brewing Company.
Miller Brewing Company. Okay.
I just honestly, and it has like a little oar for the handle. Oh,
No idea if it's worth anything, but
It's heavy.
we paid $2.50 for it, technically, because we spent $5 there and got 2 things. So
But
I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know.
Usually we shy away from like hard good like glassware and pottery and stuff because
Breakables.
breakables. We kind of shy away from that kind of stuff, but
I'm clumsy.
this one looked a little.
I picked it up because I was looking to see if it had that West Germany.
Oh, West Germany,
That's honestly, and then I saw this other stuff and the fact that it was numbered.
yeah,
I was like, wait, so this is like limited made. I don't know how many were made, but
right. So
we'll see.
we will see. If anybody knows what that is, let us know. Really appreciate anybody's help on that. We'll have to comp it after this video's over, but pretty interesting piece. Figured we'd take a shot at it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Figured we would give a Sunday yard sale a shot. See if we could make anything out of it. What was that?
They
Oh.
asked you.
Uh,
How much would you tweak out if they turn around? Sir, you can't GoPro while driving.
It probably is illegal. It's hands-free here in New Hampshire. But anyway, thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little short, quick yard sale trip. And see you in the next one, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye everybody.
Bye.